So here we are, box number 4 of the Flyin Miata Stage 1 Turbo Kit, and we are at the meat of the kit. So you got the Garrett 2560R Turbo. So that's it here. Everything looks good. So that's the turbo there. You got the downpipe. Downpipe looks good. Machining looks good. Very nice. You got the turbo manifold. Stamped Flyin Miata. It's definitely cast iron. This is a heavy piece. So when I first was deciding on pretty much which turbo kit to go, I was originally going to go with the Bofi Racing. I believe the Bofi Racing uses the Kraken turbo manifold, which is a 4-to-1 design similar to this, but their design clearly looks like it flows better. And I know other people mention this in their videos that, so looking at the Flyin Miata turbo manifold, these two runners, so if you think about the spent gases, they're flowing towards each other. So a lot of people do upgrade to the Kraken turbo manifold, where all 4 exhaust runners go into one. So they flow in a certain direction. In this case, these 2 flow downwards, and these flow against each other, towards each other. So you think, like the design could have been a bit better. So looking inside, you see they flow towards each other. So like, I'm not an engineer or anything, but I guess you could say that the flow wouldn't be so laminar. Correct me if I'm wrong. So the airflow or spent gases is flowing against each other. So that would sort of, I guess, make some turbulent flow in that area. Regardless, spent gases are going to need to exit one way, but the design could have been a little bit better. Obviously, it's designed this way. I guess for budgetary purposes. But yeah, that's my opinion. So that'll probably get upgraded down the road, regardless, to the Kraken turbo manifold. So you got the external wastegate and turbo outlets with hardware ductile. You got the bracket for the wastegate. Some more hardware, some hose barbs, stainless steel bolts. It's the banjo fitting, and you got the turbo manifold hardware. So I believe these are Inconel. If anyone knows what Inconel is, It can withstand very high heat, and I guess its thermal modulus remains stable during high heat. So that's very important. Having Inconel bolts to connect at the manifold. And that's it for box number 4. So we'll do the last box, box number 5. Stay tuned.